Imagine a world where robots can seamlessly interact with humans, understanding and responding to their needs in a way that feels almost human. This is the vision behind ALLEX, a groundbreaking humanoid robot unveiled by WIRobotics, which is set to revolutionize the way we think about robotics and its potential impact on our daily lives. But here's where it gets really interesting. ALLEX isn't just a machine. It's a technological leap forward that enables robots to truly interact with people and their environments in a way that's both safe and intelligent. At the heart of this innovation are co-CEOs Young-Jae Kim and Yoon-Baek Lee, who are leading WIRobotics into a new era where robots can adapt and respond to their surroundings in a way that's more human-like than ever before. So, what exactly is ALLEX? In short, it's a next-generation, general-purpose humanoid robot that's designed to integrate seamlessly into everyday life, from service tasks to advanced manufacturing. But what really sets ALLEX apart is its ability to sense and respond to physical stimuli, force, contact, and impact, without relying on traditional force sensors. This means that ALLEX can adapt and respond like a human would, whether it's picking up fragile items, performing repetitive tasks in industrial environments, or engaging in fine motor activities like buttoning a shirt. One of the key innovations powering ALLEX is its high DOF compliant robotic hand, which features 15 degrees of freedom and enables lifelike movement and complex interactions. Each finger is capable of reacting to minimal external forces, detecting changes as slight as 100 grams force, even in the absence of tactile sensors. But that's not all. ALLEX also boasts a low-friction, back-drivable arm that's over 10 times more responsive than conventional collaborative robots, making it safer for shared spaces with humans. And with its gravity-compensated upper body, ALLEX can perform high-load tasks without excessive energy use or mechanical stress, extending its durability and safety in dynamic environments. So why does ALLEX matter? For starters, most humanoid robots focus heavily on vision-based systems with limited capacity for force-based interaction. ALLEX breaks this mold by offering comprehensive whole-body force control across its arms, fingers, and waist without relying on external force sensors. This positions ALLEX as the first inherently compliant humanoid robot, bridging the gap between simulation and real-world application. But here's the really exciting part. ALLEX has the potential to open up a wide spectrum of applications, from healthcare and elder care to manufacturing and household automation. And with its modular design, users can deploy just the arms, hands, or full body depending on the application, making it a versatile and future-ready platform. WIRobotics is also collaborating with top-tier institutions and AI innovators to strengthen ALLEX's intelligence and autonomy, with partnerships including RLWRLD, MIT, UIUC, UMass, KIST, and Maxon. As co-CEO Young-Jae Kim notes, "We didn't build ALLEX to simply replicate human motion. We built it to experience the world like we do. The goal is to create a platform that anyone can use in everyday life by 2030, one that's grounded in safety, efficiency, and natural human-machine interaction." But what do you think? Are we ready for a world where robots can interact with us in a way that's almost indistinguishable from human-to-human interaction? Do you think ALLEX is the future of robotics, or are there still too many challenges to overcome? Let us know in the comments. For more information on WIRobotics and ALLEX, visit https://www.wirobotics.com.